Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a violin for the first time. First, carefully position the bridge between the F-holes, aligning its feet with the inner nicks. Ensure the bridge stands perfectly upright, forming a 90-degree angle with the violin's top plate. Next, gently unroll each of the 4 strings. Thread each string through its designated hole in the tailpiece, then wind it securely onto the corresponding peg in the peg box. This initial step is crucial for proper sound production. Now let's tune your violin. You can use a digital tuner or a piano to achieve accurate pitch. The strings are G, D, A, and E from lowest to highest. Start by tuning the string, then proceed to D, G, and E. Turn the pegs slowly for large adjustments, pushing them inward to prevent slipping. For precise, small pitch corrections, use the fine tuners on the tailpiece. Aim for a clear, resonant sound. Next, it's time to rosin your bow. Rosin creates friction, allowing the bow to grip the strings and produce sound. First, tighten the bow hair until there is about a pencil-width gap between the hair and the stick. If your rosin is new and shiny, gently roughen its surface with a fork or sandpaper. Then, hold the rosin firmly and rub it along the entire length of the bow hair. For a brand new bow, apply about 10 to 15 even strokes. Before you begin playing, perform a few final checks. Ensure all pegs are secure and the fine tuners are correctly adjusted. Now, let's consider your posture. Hold the violin with your chin resting comfortably on the chin rest and the instrument resting on your left collarbone. Position your left hand loosely around the neck, with fingers curved and your thumb bent, avoiding a tight grip. You are now ready to make your first sounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.